Welcome to Live Manapur. Today we're going to see about if statement in Python. So there are three types of statements in Python. First one is if, second one if else, and third one is elif, otherwise called as nested. So first we see the if statement. The if statement is nothing but நம்ம ப்ரோக்ராமில் ஒரு கண்டிஷன் கொடுக்குறோம். whether the condition it checks the condition and it execute the conditions. That's it. And if else statement. If else statement is nothing but if we check the condition, if we're giving some particular condition, in that condition, if its condition is true, it's execute. Otherwise, it won't execute in the if statement. We're giving the another choice in if statement, and then it is executed. Elif statement. So adding a two or three, adding a more number of if statement in the program is called elif. So before going to code, I'm using Sublime Text for coding. This is a great platform to use program. So my program is so student marks. I'm going to rank. I'm going to give grade to the student in terms of the mark the students were getting it. Okay, so that the first line I'm going to code like marks is equal to int of input of enter the marks. So it is nothing but I'm getting a value from the user. Int of input is definition of getting a input from the user. Okay, in second line, if the marks is greater than 85 and lesser than or equal to 100, so the mark should be between 85 and 100. If the marks is 85, between 85 and 100 means print congrats, you are scored grade of A plus. Okay, sorry, A. Okay, so if the student gets the mark between 85 and 100, I'm assigning it as grade A. And elif, why I'm using here elif means I'm going to construct a program by using multiple number of ifs. So the second time if I want to use if means I have to use elif. That means nested elif. Okay, so in elif, the second marks is greater than 860 and smaller than or equal to 85. So if the student gets mark greater than 60 and between 85, print your score B plus. Okay, so elif marks which is greater than 40 and marks lesser than equal to elif marks greater than 40 and marks is lesser than equal to 16. If the student gets the mark between 40 and 60, the student will rank by using int grade as B. Okay, so print you score grade B, and then I'm using elif. Elif, already I said elif is nothing but nested, otherwise called as nested elif. So okay, finally I'm going to give the marks which is okay greater than 30 and marks lesser than equal to 40. So if the student gets mark between the 40 and the 30, okay, print your score grade C. Okay, so the student gets mark between the 40 and the 30. Okay, so print you scored grade C. Okay, else, finally, else condition, that means it is nothing but if the student not getting a marks in terms of which from the limit, lower limit to upper limit, means from the 30 to 100, if the students getting mark below 30 means, so I have to print sorry, you are fail. Okay, so why I am giving else means the students I am assigning a value, if statement. Okay, so if by using four conditions, okay, four statements. If the condition student gets a mark between 100 and 85, this means grade A. Now I am saving this program in desktop. I'm giving file name as marks.py. .py is extension for Python, terms of Python. So I'm saving it. If I change the Sublime title the code will changes as colors. So I'm now going to open a command prompt. In command prompt, I'm going to have to change the directory. Okay, so change directory desktop because I am saving the file in desktop. Okay, so now I'm giving Python space marks.py. Marks.py is nothing but file name. So if I click means the output, enter the marks. If I giving 86, so the students, okay, so congrats, you have scored grade A. Okay, so I'm saving the directory cd space desktop and then enter. So I have to give Python space marks.py. Marks.py is nothing but file name. So enter the mark. I'm giving here 80. So see, you have scored grade B plus. Okay, so I'm giving